Ever thought about the safety of over-the-counter drugs you use daily? Well, a recent lawsuit against Family Dollar is about to challenge your assumptions. It suggests that Family Dollar sold drugs stored under extreme temperatures. Now, this might seem like a minor storage issue, but remember, these are medications. Think about the risk to public health. We're talking about kids' medication, Advil, Tylenol, drugs that millions depend on daily. The potential risk is simply staggering. Storing medications under high temperatures can affect their quality and efficacy, making them unsafe. This is a big deal. Over the years, we've seen recalls of medications due to quality concerns. Now we're looking at a major retailer allegedly selling compromised products knowingly. There's a lot unpacked in this lawsuit, and we'll delve deeper in our next scenes. But before we do, if you find this content valuable, please show your support by liking this video. And if you want to stay updated on this story and more, consider subscribing to this channel. Your support helps bring important stories to light. So how unsafe is it to sell these items? This question is more than just a rhetorical inquiry. It's a matter of public health, a concern that affects everyone who's ever reached for an over-the-counter remedy to soothe a headache, calm a fever, or help a child recover from a cold. When medications like children's medication, Advil, and Tylenol are stored improperly, it's not just the product that suffers. The effectiveness of the drug can be severely compromised, making it less potent, or in some cases, entirely ineffective. But the danger doesn't stop there. The improper storage of these medications, particularly in extreme temperatures, can lead to chemical changes within the drugs themselves. These changes can result in unexpected side effects, some of which can be severe. Imagine taking a pill to ease a minor ailment, only to find yourself dealing with a more serious health issue as a result. To put this into perspective, let's consider the recalls we've seen over the years related to medication. Each recall represents a failure in the system, a time when a drug that was meant to provide relief instead posed a threat. There was the blood pressure medication recall in 2018 due to potential cancer risks, or the 2019 Zantac recall because of possible carcinogen contamination. And who can forget the massive Tylenol recall of 2010 due to a moldy smell associated with nausea, stomach pain, vomiting, and diarrhea. Each of these recalls represented not just a financial loss for the companies involved, but more importantly, a risk to the health and well-being of the consumers who trusted these products to be safe and effective. So when we talk about the risks associated with selling improperly stored medications, we're not just talking about a business decision. We're talking about a decision that can have far-reaching implications for public health. These recalls were not just minor inconveniences, but significant health threats. But just how far does this lawsuit extend? Well, let's delve into the matter. The lawsuit against Family Dollar isn't a simple case of a few instances of negligence. Instead, it's a far-reaching and extensive legal battle that exposes a pattern of disregard for customer safety. We're talking about millions of dollars worth of over-the-counter drugs, think children's medication, Advil, Tylenol, and more, that were sold to unsuspecting customers to avoid huge losses. These drugs were stored in warehouses and trucks in extreme temperatures, a move that could have potentially compromised the safety and efficacy of the products. The lawsuit implicates a significant number of customers who may have been affected by this unscrupulous practice. The potential damages could be astronomical, and the impact on the company's reputation is immeasurable. This lawsuit isn't just about a single incident, but a pattern of disregard for customer safety. Now that you've heard the facts, what's your take on this issue? It's not merely about a lawsuit or a company's misconduct. It's about the safety of consumers like us, about the trust we place in businesses and the products they sell. It's about children's medication, Advil, Tylenol, commodities of everyday life. It's about the risks we unknowingly take when these products are mishandled. These issues underline the importance of vigilance. They remind us to stay informed, to question, and to hold companies accountable for their actions. They underscore the power we have as consumers, as a community. Your thoughts on this matter are not just opinions. They are catalysts for change. They can spark discussions, draw attention, and even lead to reform. I value your thoughts. Please like this video, share your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on this and other important issues.